Unseen Blessings, the Wisdom of Unanswered Prayers. Ahmad was a hard-working young man who dreamed of leaving his small town to work in a big city. Every night he prayed, asking God to open the door to a high-paying job far away. Weeks turned into months, but nothing happened. Ahmad began to feel frustrated and wondered why his prayers were not being answered. One evening, his father suddenly fell ill. The illness lasted several weeks, and Ahmad stayed home to care for him. During this time, Ahmad realized how much his family needed him and how precious these moments were. One day, while sitting beside his father, he thought, "If I had gotten that job, I would not have been here today." A few months later, Ahmad received an unexpected job offer in his own city. The salary was good, and he could still stay close to his family. At that moment, Ahmad understood a powerful truth. Not every unanswered prayer is a rejection. Sometimes it is protection, and sometimes it is preparation. Moral: trust the timing of life. What seems delayed may be perfectly planned.